Starting in the child's pose, right fingertips to your right temple, open your right elbow out to the side, then come back to child's pose and switch over to the other side. From the kneeling position, draw big circles with your hips. Go in one direction and we'll switch halfway through. From a child's pose, wave your body forward, coming all the way down onto the ground. Press into the palms to lift the chest, baby cobra, then press yourself all the way back into a child's pose. Come to sit with your hands behind you, opening through the chest. Extend your right leg out long in front of you, point and flex the foot, and then switch over to the other leg. Come to sit with your hands behind you, bend the knees and place the soles of your feet on the ground. Then drop your knees over to the right, pause for a second, and then over to the left. From the kneeling position, step your right foot forward to find a lunge, releasing your hips forward. Then press your hips back, flex the right foot, coming into half split. From the kneeling position, extend your right leg out behind you, rocking forward and back. Then pivot on your bottom leg. Reach your right fingertips up, making your body as long as you possibly can. From the kneeling position, step your left foot forward, coming into a lunge, hips release forward, feeling a nice stretch in your hip flexor. Then press your hips back, coming into half split, flexing your left toes up to the sky. From the kneeling position, extend your left foot behind you, left ball of the foot into the ground, rock forward and back, then pivot on your bottom leg, coming into a supported side plank, left fingertips reaching overhead. Find a deep squat. It's okay if your heels have to be lifted. And then slowly roll your head from one side to the other, stretching out the neck. Lie down on your back, soles of your feet together, cactus your arms by your side, then slide your arms along the ground as you reach up, then bring them back down to your sides, and rotate your arms so that your hands come up off the ground. Lie down on your back, bend your knees, and grab hold of either the outsides of your shins or your feet to find a happy baby. Do what feels good here. Maybe you want to extend one leg and then the other, or rock from side to side. And we are done. Thank you so much for moving your body with me today. I hope you enjoyed this one. Don't forget to give it a like, and I will see you again soon. Bye.